Hey everyone, are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Today, I'm sharing how to master a minimalist budget that truly works for you. Whether you want to save money, tackle debt, or simply simplify your finances, this guide breaks it down into easy steps. So, grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into minimalist budgeting. First up, set clear goals. What's your ultimate aim? Saving for a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund? Having a specific target makes every dollar spent purposeful. Imagine you want to save $10,000 this year. That clarity helps you decide whether to skip that morning coffee run. Yes, it's tough, but it's all about the bigger picture. Next, track every dollar. Before we jump into budgeting, you need to know where your money is going. Track everything: salary, side hustles, those sneaky subscriptions. You might be shocked at how much you spend. Studies show we often underestimate our spending by 30%. Take a week or a month to log every penny, and you'll be ready to make informed changes. Let's keep budgeting simple. No need for 20 categories, stick to 3 essentials, which include rent, utilities, and groceries, savings and debt, for building savings and paying off debt, and wants, for those fun extras. This streamlined approach makes it easier to see the big picture without feeling overwhelmed. Now, here's my favorite: allocate 70% of your income for all monthly expenses. The remaining 30% gets split, 20% for savings or debt repayment and 10% for giving or investing. If you make $4,000 a month, that means $2,800 for expenses, $800 for savings, and $400 for causes you care about.